I will teach you more. How can you make Flipkart in TV through coding HTML and CSS?
So this is the easiest way, and first of all you should create a new page like this.
Give the page the name of the plugin. Name it with Flipkart. I have given the name of Flipkart. So create a new page so that whatever you want to create on this page does not get spoiled.
That is why I have created a new page and published it.
It may take some time. Publish it in Publish.
After that it will be uploaded on our page.
After this, use the Divi Builder. Click. The page that we had created for both of them opened. There is this plus icon on it. Click on it. So after that, how many Flipkarts do you want to make in one room? I want to make China, so search on it. Then from here enter this code.
You have one like this.
Quota section will open, then what to do in it. In this place where there is text, you have to paste HTML, and after that come to Advanced and go to Custom CSS, and I will give the name of CSS in HTML and video description in CSS. Then copy from there and simply paste it here. So friend, this is how it will happen. It is very easy and very simple, so I pasted this in the DML.
This is how I made it. I took the coding from Facebook. After this, you can also go advanced here. Now here I have to paste the CSS font in the main elements. So after pasting the CSS, you will have a look like this. So after this, our flipchart is now ready to be edited.
So first of all, let's do it like this. Give some size height to the stop section.
This is how this player show was.
So this Flipkart is ready in front of us like this. Then how should we edit it? So we have this kind of Flipkart. How to edit it? You just have to click simply. After clicking, you have to do it like this. First you have to give the URL of the image. But from where do you have to give the URL of the image? You have to paste it here. I do it like this. For example, I want the QRL matter at new, and here I click on the image. Create an image like this. Just click on or to copy the URL. Or do you want to pick up an image from the media? For example, I can click on this.
This is a vagabond. By doing Ctrl+C, you can delete it again.
Put this cross, delete this as well. Click on it, right from here. Whatever work will be done in between 1 month, you have to paste the URL here. You can also check the control by clicking. We have got the image.
After this, there is the front rating and description and the back heading and description. You can easily change it by clicking on it. If you want to change the heading, then click here.
H1 H3L. The water level remains maintained.
What is the name?
Join in the middle of Mr. Hatch D, Flipkart heading, share.
That block comfortably replaced it.
The mark from here. I want to change the SMS type, please tell me.
Vishal manages the teams.
This has come in front of you.
There is a description below it. The same description is below this P.
From Pia. It starts here also, this front where it is written front prescription.
If you paste it in its place here, then it comes back easily after this, back from here, which is its woman.
Take the same similar pic and paste it here. You can upload your answer, whatever you want to give. After that, paste the paragraph description written in 2 pages and between the paragraphs, and it will be easily created. Flipkart has many options. After that, you can copy it from here and paste it in the face module here.
So this will come here also, the black paste module here also.
Show both is easy and very beautiful responsibility, which is Flipkart. It is yours, it is ready.